name. My name is Razu. I have been visiting along with all my family members. Most of them are patients here. And Dr. Neelima Reddy has been treating for the last almost 2 years. In our family, we have about 6 patients here who have been coming regularly under the care of Dr. Neelima Reddy. And we find the services very, very excellent and very thorough. The kind of time she is spending on each patient, getting into a lot of details and creating a beautiful record, that is giving a lot of satisfaction for us. Especially my parents who are aged about 85 years and 80 years, father and mother, they have been put to very good care under the doctor. And every 3 months, she is reviewing the progress and attending to not only the existing problems but also giving vaccination for the potential problems and things like that. And other than my family members, I have recommended about another 4 or 5 of my other good friends who are extremely satisfied with the kind of services and the professional advice and treatment we have been getting here. And the lab also, the results what we are getting is also satisfactory. And I very strongly recommend for all the patients who need continuous guidance and treatment about Ambicare, and especially Dr. Neelima Reddy, with whom we are exposed to regularly.